Did you know the universe is full of facts that are almost impossible to believe? Here are 50 mind-blowing truths that'll leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. 1. Starting off, your body has more bacteria cells than human cells. You're technically more bacteria than human. 2. Here's a crazy one. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than the building of the Great Pyramid of Giza. 3. Now imagine this. If Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star, were in our solar system, it would engulf Earth, reaching beyond Mars. 4. Sharks are older than trees. These predators have been around for 400 million years, while trees came 50 million years later. 5. Ever tried humming with your nose plugged? You can't hum while holding your nose. Give it a try. 6. How about this? An ant can survive a fall from any height. Thanks to their tiny size and weight, gravity isn't a problem for them. 7. Polar bears' skin is black beneath their white fur. That helps them absorb and retain heat in the icy Arctic. 8. Speaking of animals, lobsters don't age like we do. In theory, they could live forever, barring disease or injury. 9. Sloths take up to a month to digest a single leaf. Yeah, they're slow in more ways than one. 10. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to human fingerprints. Even under a microscope, it's tough to tell them apart. 11. You know the Eiffel Tower? It actually grows by about 6 inches in the summer because metal expands in the heat. 12. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. It's called cloacal respiration, and it helps them survive underwater for long periods. 13. Sea cucumbers can eject their internal organs as a defense mechanism. Weird, but it works. 14. Ever heard that the Great Wall of China is visible from space? It's actually not visible from space with the naked eye, despite what people say. 15. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of it in ancient tombs that are still perfectly edible. 16. A cockroach can live for a week without its head, and only dies because it can't drink water. 17. Wombat poop is cube-shaped to keep it from rolling away. It's true and definitely strange. 18. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Over 3 trillion trees, in fact. 19. Get this. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds, yet it still floats. 20. Here's a fact for space lovers. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It rotates so slowly that a single day takes longer than its orbit around the sun. 21st. Ever heard of a planet made of diamonds? It's called 55 Cancri E, and it's about twice the size of Earth. 22. Hot water freezes faster than cold water, a phenomenon called the Mpemba effect. Scientists are still trying to figure out why. 23. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. Your sense of smell is way more powerful than you might think. 24. The longest hiccuping spree lasted for 68 years. Imagine hiccuping non-stop for that long. 25. Saturn is so light that it would float in water if there were a bathtub big enough. 26. You can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from more than 2 miles away. That's one loud beat. 27. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated from them. Who knew cows were so emotional? 28. The Statue of Liberty used to be brown, but it turned green because of copper oxidation over time. 29th. Giraffes don't have vocal cords, but they can hum at night when no one's listening. 30. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. Pound for pound, bone is an impressive material. 31. Shadows on the moon are darker than on Earth because there's no atmosphere to diffuse the sunlight. 32. Believe it or not, there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the universe. 33. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. That's some botanical weirdness for you. 34. One day on Earth used to be only 22 hours long during the time of the dinosaurs. 35. Horses can't vomit because of the structure of their digestive system. 36. Here's a spooky thought. The chance of you drinking water molecules that passed through a dinosaur is almost 100%. That's the ultimate recycling program. 37. Some frogs can be frozen solid, thawed, and still survive. These creatures are practically living cryogenics experiments. 38. Giraffes and humans have the same number of neck vertebrae. 7. 39. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Space itself is stretching, allowing this. 40. An octopus has 3 hearts and its blood is blue due to copper-based hemocyanin. 41. A single strand of hair can hold the weight of a small apple, roughly 100 grams. 42. The Earth used to be purple because ancient microbes absorbed sunlight differently from plants today. 43. Sharks can live for 500 years, with some Greenland sharks being among the longest living vertebrates. 44. Humans are the only animals that blush, showing visible emotion. 45. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 46. Here's a wild one. Some turtles have been known to breathe through their butts during hibernation. 47. You can't cry in space. Tears won't fall due to microgravity. 48. The human brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. 49. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. The numbers are mind-boggling. 50. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons. The densest material in the universe. Did these facts blow your mind? Hit that like button if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.